So I've got the Powerbeats Pro tools, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to pair and connect this to your smart TV. Now, the first thing you need to do is go to your smart TV's Bluetooth settings. Now, depending on what smart TV you have, it could be a slightly different process. I'm using the LG, so I'll go to all settings, and then I'll go to sound, and then I'll go to sound output, and then I'll go to use wireless speaker because I want to connect Bluetooth or a wireless sound output device. Now, it could be slightly different and the wording could be slightly different depending on what TV you're using. It's different on a Samsung, it's different on a Sony TV, depends on what you have. The most important thing is to go to the Bluetooth settings. So here, it's going to start scanning for available Bluetooth devices. And what you need to do now is put your Powerbeats Pro tools in Bluetooth pairing mode so that your smart TV is able to discover them. And to do that, first thing you gotta do is make sure they are charged, and then open the case like that. And inside the case, you should see a little button here, this button right here. So you want to press and hold that button until the light on the case starts blinking. And it may even make a sound. And when it's blinking like that, it means they are in Bluetooth pairing mode. And so your TV should pick them up. So let's try and go back one step and then go back to sound and select sound output wireless speaker and see if the TV is going to pick this up. In fact, let's go to Bluetooth device, tap on the select the three dots, and as you can see, at the bottom there, the Powerbeats Pro have been discovered. Okay, so all I need to do now is click on that to connect, and they are now paired and connected. As you can see, the light on the case stops blinking, and then now the Powerbeats Pro are now connected, as you can see up there. Okay, right here. There you go. So now I can take them out of the case, put them in my ear, and use them to listen to music, watch movies, and do whatever I need to do. That is basically how to connect the Powerbeats Pro tools to any smart TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.